Hey folks, welcome back. Chapter 5, Step 1, Testing Your Installation. We just want to make sure that the site was opened or defined correctly with your web editor. To start this little test, let's go back to our web editor. It's the same process for all Microsoft editors. We're going to do what we call the logo test. We're going to make sure the library page for the logo updates the rest of the web pages. If it does, we know that the site is going to function correctly. One of the first things we're going to do is preview the index page. Now some of you may just double click to open the page, others may just select and preview, but we're going to use Firefox to preview. That's the best tool for web developers. Okay, so get the page open in a web editor, or sorry, a web browser, and then go back to your editor. Open the library folder, the logo folder, logo.html. Right click on website name, click on hyperlink properties, and change the text to display. You can type in whatever you want here. It could be the actual name of your site or just a test name. It doesn't really matter. We're going to cover this in more detail in a later chapter. For now, just type in something new, hit OK. When you see an asterisk beside the name of the page, that means it needs to be saved. Click on Save. There we go. We can actually see it reflected in our page right here. You may need to save the index page as well if you see a little asterisk, or whatever page you may have opened if you did open a page. If you see an asterisk, make sure you save it, then go back to your web editor and hit the refresh button. You should see the change reflect right away, and you'll know that the site is correctly opened, and it will update from this point forward without any trouble.